Manus Software presents the world's most powerful, cloud-based, post-processor developer. It is the easiest solution to learn and the easiest solution to use in order to develop your CNC post-processors. MANUSpost Developer is not a text editor but a designer. It lets you create the optimal post-processor for your CNC machines. MANUSpost Developer has a huge CNC post-processor library that has over 300 post-processors ready to use. Thanks to this extensive library, you don't have to start creating your post-processor from scratch. You select the post-processor you want from the library and make small changes to customize your post-processor as you wish. If your machine is not present in the library, you can easily define your own CNC machine kinematics. You can log in and start using MANUSpost Developer for free. You will only be charged when you are sure of your post-processor and decide to download it. You will be purchasing a perpetual license. It is not a subscription-based program that requires monthly or annual payments to run your post-processor. However, an annual subscription is needed to continue editing the post-processor. The first year of editing is free. The requirement for an annual subscription for editing starts after the first year. What resides in the cloud is only MANUSpost Developer itself. Once you purchase your post-processor, it will be downloaded on your personal computer as a perpetual license. After purchasing your post-processor, you won't need to use MANUSpost Developer for anything other than editing. The confidentiality of your information is very important to us. That's why, once you purchase your post-processor, it will be downloaded to your computer, so you don't need to upload any information to the cloud. Your information will stay on your personal computer. Ready to get amazed with the astonishing experience you will have with MANUSpost Developer. A single screen that can manage everything regarding your post-processor. You can create and customize post-processors for complex CNC machines such as 6-axis milling machines, multi-axis mill-turn machines with double or triple turrets. Experience the user-friendly features of MANUSpost Developer. Create and customize the post-processor you want just by clicking where you want to edit and change it with a few clicks. MANUSpost Developer is supporting majority of CAM software existing in the market, and it allows you to create one common post-processor for multiple CAM software. It also has seamless integration with select CAM software, which lets you run your post-processor inside your CAM software with one click. Currently integrated CAMs are Mastercam, Siemens NX, Fusion 360, and PowerMill. With the quick debugging feature, you can swiftly analyze each NC line in its creation process and identify the active operation type, the APTCL line used, as well as the command, event, action, or script employed in its creation. Using MANUSpost Developer, you can create and compare multiple NC programs, making it easy to identify differences. MANUSpost Developer is a no-code design tool. You do not need to be an expert software programmer and scripter. If you want to use scripts for advanced applications, you can do so by adding small scripts wherever necessary. Inside MANUSpost Developer, you can find more than 80 tutorial videos, which lets you learn everything about using the software. You can take advantage of the ChatGPT-powered AI assistant inside MANUSpost Developer, which is ready to answer all your questions regarding the software. Another wonderful feature of MANUSpost Developer is the Help section, which allows you access to definitions and descriptions of keywords, functions, CAM guides, downloads, commands, events, actions, and scripting methods in MANUSpost Developer. You can also right-click on any element in MANUSpost Developer to see the related help document. With the logical flow control in MANUSpost Developer, you are able to detect any codes existing in the NC program which has potential to disrupt the flow. Accordingly, you will be alerted. With structural control, parameter settings in post-processors are automatically checked during each run, ensuring errors are detected and users are alerted. Manus team offers quick and solution-oriented online support using the Manus support portal for the customers. You can also write about your problems in the forum, and the technical team will start working on solving it immediately. We secure a copy of your customized post processor in our database, so you won't ever lose it. You can download it again, anytime you want. By using all the educational material inside MANUSpost Developer, you can quickly master the software and become a CNC post processor expert. Once you become an expert and create your own post processors, you can start selling them yourself.